Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the odd man out series. So we will take the 4 examples for it. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Let's look at first example. Its example is 10, 25, 45, 54 and 60. We now need to select the odd number from these numbers. So what we can do it? We can guess. If you guess, all numbers are multiplied by 5. 5 into 2 it's a 10. 5 into 5 is 25. 9 into 5 is 45. 12 into 5 is 60. But 54 is not multiplication of 5. So our answer is 54. So here is our answer. Take a look of second example. Its a number are 8, 27, 64, 100, 125 and 216. So we can guess all numbers. It's a cubes. It's a 2 cube. It's a 8. It's a 3 cubes. 27. It's a 4 cube. 64. It's a 5 cube, it's a 124, it's a 6 cubes, 216. But 100 is a square of 10, but not a cube of anything. So our answer will be 100. Now take a next example. Here is the numbers are 3, 5, 11, 14, 17 and 21. It's a very simple because all are odd numbers, but this is a sum number. So we can take this is an answer. It's an even number. So next example is 1, 4, 9, 16, 23 and 25. So what we can guess? All are little bit the squares. You can guess 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3, 16 is square of 4, but 23 is not a square. 25 is also square of 5. So our answer will be 23. So we are done with our today's example. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.